In this video, I wanted to talk to you about your total alkalinity. Is the total alkalinity important for you to check and adjust on a regular basis? Before I get started, if you're new to my channel and you haven't already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and please also give me a like so other people can find this video. So this is going to be a quick video. Total alkalinity is very important to keeping your pH stabilized, especially after a rain. I like to keep that level at 90 to 100. So when a storm comes, a lot of rain, it's not going to fluctuate the pH as much. And so in this pool, it's a little bit low. We just had a rain. So I know from the past that after a rainstorm in my area, the total alkalinity is going to drop some. So I'm going to go ahead and just add this. And then what that will do is it'll balance out and raise the total alkalinity. So it is very important. Don't skip it. I believe it's just as important as the pH levels being tested. Well, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next videos.